Crane. A crane is a type of machine generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes or chains and sheaves that can be used both to lift and lower materials and move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy things or transporting them to other places. The device use one no or more simple machines to create mechanical advantages and thus move loads beyond the normal capability of a human. Cranes are commonly employed in transportations for the loading and unloading of freight, in construction for the movement of materials and in manufacturing for the assembling of heavy equipment. The first known crane machine was the shadow of a water lifting device that was invented in ancient Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, and then appeared in ancient Egyptian technology. Construction cranes later appeared in ancient Greece, where they were powered by men or animals such as donkeys and used for the construction of buildings. Large cranes were later developed in the Roman Empire, employing the use of human treadwheels, permitting the lifting of heavier weights. In the High Middle Ages, harbor cranes were introduced to load and unload ships and assist with their construction. Some were built into stone towers for extra strength and stability. The earliest cranes were constructed from wood, but cast iron and steel took over with the coming of the Industrial Revolution. For many centuries, power was supplied by the physical exertion of men or animals, although hoists in watermills and windmills could be driven by the harnessed natural power. The first mechanical power was provided by steam engines, the earliest steam crane being introduced in 18th or 19th century, with many remaining in use well into the late 20th century. Modern cranes usually use internal combustion engines or electric motors and hydraulic system to provide a much greater lifting capability than was previously possible, although manual cranes are still utilized where the provision of power would be uneconomic.